Section 2.5 and the intermediate value theorem. First, we discussed the intermediate value theorem. Then we discussed estimating zeros of a function by bisection. That's a method that uses intermediate value theorem. So the two iClickers that we discussed in the beginning helps you basically understand the intermediate value theorem. What is intermediate value theorem? If f is continuous on the interval a and b, then for every value m between f of a and f of b, there exists at least one value c in the open interval a and b such that f of c is equal to m. So this is the continuous function. Now look, interval a and b for input, and then there's f of a and f of b. Then you can choose any value between f of a and f of b. That would be m. And then from the m, you will find an x value down here, that y value of that is basically that c value down here, that is an x value equal to c down here, that you can, f of c is going to be equal to m. So that's m going down, and that would be c basically. If you just go to the function, you will find a point. Is this c unique always? It doesn't have to be. If m is a little lower, and first of all, we're not looking for points that are not within interval a and b. So for example, over here, when there's another value, x value, that renders m as the y value, we're going to ignore that because we're trying to stay between a and b. But is there any point that we will have more than one c value that renders m and is within a and b? Here's the picture. If m is a little lower down here, there would be 3 c values between a and b, such that f of all these c's, we can call them c1, c2, c3, but f of any of these is going to be equal to m. So now, is continuity something that we really have to have? Yes, continuity is a must-have. Look at this function that is discontinuous right there, and think about basically m value between f of a and f of b that passes through basically the jump of the function. So this is an m value, and there is no x value that renders that m value. So continuity is very important in the intermediate